Thank you. Over to a few announcements that we'll make. We had our first online family get together. It was very well attended. We had almost 80 plus participants, and thanks to Mr. Palu, who Rotarian Palu, who gave the entire conceptualization and execution, and thanks to Sundar Natarajan, Geeta, and Kalpana, who executed it perfectly to the T, and the lot of participation, and people enjoyed it, and lot of positive comments about it. And so we will have one more like that every month. Rotarian Palu has already started planning for the next one. Third week Saturday of every month we will have a online meeting till we are in the online mode. So we will have online meetings, and post that we will have offline meetings. So it will continue. And we had our so this is our second speaker meeting for the this one. And over to the secretary for his reports. Unmute yourself, Mahesh, and you can give your reports, please.
Good evening, dear members. I would like to say that we have our next meeting, the regular weekly meeting, on the 7th of August. Details will follow. I would also like to wish all the birthday babies for the second half of July. We have on the 17th and Jyoti Hemdev, 21st, and Aditya Haran Shivakumar, 22nd, and Shanti Radhakrishnan, 26th, and Lakshmi Mayamal Ganesh Kumar. 29th, we have Rotarian V.S. Balaji and Rotarian S.B. Ganesh Kumar, who share their birthday. Thank you. Wedding days, we have and Arunjit and Rotarian KB Singh on the 27th, and Jashu and Rotarian Vijay Javeri on the 28th. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Maheshwar. So over to Mr. Charles, Rotarian Charles, for the introduction of the today's speaker.
Ganesh Raj. Good evening, our Rotarians. Today our special guest is Mrs. Satya. She has been practicing yoga from 2013 and teaching from 2018. Finished diploma in yoga and pursuing master in yoga now. She finished her advanced diploma in fitness. Mrs. Satya is very much interested in training kids and include discipline and health consciousness among them, and also training elder who normally neglects taking personal training for weight loss for ladies. Her motto is to make exercise a pleasant experience and make our life easier with the wonderful form of exercise yoga. Welcome, madam.
Speak louder, man.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Proceed.
Charles didn't hear anything.
கேக்குதுங்களா? சொல்லி
இல்ல.
மறுபடியும் சொல்லுமா?
இல்ல சார்ல்ஸ், ஒண்ணு கேட்கல சார்ல்ஸ்.
அண்ணா பேசிட்டா இருந்தேன்.
ஓகே கோ.
மறுபடியும் இன்ட்ரோ듀ce பண்ணுமா? கேக்குதுங்களா?
It's better now. At least ஒரு last paragraph திரும்பி சொல்லிடுங்க நீங்க.
Her motto is to make exercise a pleasant experience and make our life easier with the wonderful form of exercise yoga. Welcome, madam.
Thank you. Shall I proceed, sir?
Yeah, Satya, I'll make you the host, so you can kind of present whatever you require.
Okay.
Yeah, you are the host now. Yeah, you can present your PPT and your sessions.
Okay. Vanakkam, namaskaram, and good evening, everyone. So I normally start my sessions with a prayer song. So let me start with a prayer song. I'll sing the song, right?
Not loud enough.
Okay, I'll be louder. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sah Veeryam Karavavahai Tejashvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, I'm going to use both Tamil and English. Going to be a bilingual session. I hope everyone is okay with that. Is it louder enough? No. How's it now?
Yeah, good enough, but can be a little louder.
Yeah, a little loud.
Some people are saying they cannot hear me.
Yeah, the voice is a little low.
Let me check the volume. Okay, I'm here to make your life better, easier. So normally when you come for a yoga session, I don't know how many of you are prepared for a yoga session where you're supposed to bring a yoga mat and sit down. So I believe most of the people are not ready for a practical session. So
Yes.
whoever is ready with a yoga mat or who can sit down, they can do the practical session with me. Others can just learn what I'm going to teach. So I'm going to start the session with the PPT. Okay, so we are going to learn about immunity today. So you must be knowing about immunity. Every one of you must be knowing what is immunity and how it is built, or how it is even affected. So I'm not going to explain about immunity, but the relation between yoga and immunity. So this is what yoga gives us, and mostly flexibility, endurance, power, and realizing yourself. But today we are going to learn about developing immunity through yoga. So immunity is mostly affected by, there are many other reasons also. So there are various factors which affects the immunity, but our core subject today is how immunity, these four factors, how these four factors are affecting our health, by affecting the immunity. So the first reason is stress. Second reason is imbalance in digestive system. And third reason is respiratory issues. Fourth issue is problems in producing T cells, the thymus gland. You must be knowing about the thymus gland, which is, which produces the antibiotics, antigens to fight against the pathogens in our system. So this is situated at the chest region of our body, thymus gland. So yoga helps in, reducing the stress, conditioning the digestive tract, improves breathing pattern, and obviously activating the thymus gland. So I have planned a combination of asanas which helps in boosting immunity by decreasing the stress and balancing the digestive system, and which solves the respiratory issues also, and which activates the thymus gland. So these are the combination of asanas, and these are the most simplest asanas that I can say anybody can do.
Satya, sorry to interrupt. You need to put it in the presentation mode. It can be a little bigger. So put it in the presentation mode, please. Bottom.
So where is it, sir?
This is slide.
Is it too small? You cannot read?
Yeah, it's too small. Font is also smaller.
No, no problem, sir. You just have to just listen to me.
Just press F5. Just press F5.
Fine. Yeah.
there are some 7 asanas. So these are like series of asanas you can do one after the other. And as I said before, these are simplest of asanas as far as I'm concerned. So we can, people who are ready there, they can start this practical session with me now. The first asana, Balasana. This is going to reduce your stress, reduce your BP. Second will be Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. The third will be Downward Dog pose, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Fourth will be Bow pose, Dhanurasana. Turn. This is bridge pose. This is called Pavanamuktasana. So these asanas may look simple, but they're very effective, very easy. And the people who spend at least 30 minutes twice in a week doing these simple asanas will definitely see tremendous change in their body. People who have joint problems, people who have breathing problems, digestion problems, all of them will have good results. Okay. The next one is pranayama, and you must be knowing the benefits of pranayama, which always is related mostly with the respiratory system. So the problem is mostly the way we take air in on the left side, on the right side. So we take on both sides. There will always be a difference between the amount of air we take on the left side and on the right side. So this difference has to be corrected. And for most of the respiratory problem, this is the reason according to yoga. So by doing this Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, we are going to balance the Nadi. That is, right side we call it Pingala Nadi, and left side we call it as Ida Nadi. So we are going to balance the Nadi with the Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. It's going to help us in regulating respiratory issues. So it's very simple Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. So you have to sit in a comfortable position, close one side. Whenever you do pranayama, you have to always close your eyes and be with yourself and feel what's happening, in your body and the air that goes inside your respiratory system. So it's always better to close your eyes and do pranayama. Close your right side. Breathe in through left side. Take a deep breath. Close that side, left side, and exhale through right side. Breathe in through the same side, that is on the right side. Close the right side. Breathe out through the left side. So this is the basic the method of doing pranayama. And most of you would have seen this pranayama, and most of the people who do yoga will be doing this pranayama because it's very effective. And you just have to do one kind of pranayama, you will see the results. And that is Nadashuddhi pranayama. The name itself is suggesting it is going to cleanse your breath. That is prana that you are taking in. So next, this is for about the diet. So I have divided this into three categories: carbohydrates, healthy carbohydrates, and bad carbohydrates. So you can incorporate these green items in your diet and reduce this yellow item and avoid this red items. And we have this good source of protein. So whenever you want to have protein in your diet, you can add these items. These are good sources. There are two types: good sources and bad sources. So I've mentioned only about the good sources. And these lipids, fats. These lipids are good for your health. You can add these things. Lipids are very, very important for our health. Vitamins and minerals, of course, you must be knowing. We need these vitamins and minerals in a very low quantity, but they're very, very important. And most of the time, deficiency of vitamins and minerals only causes the disease, because we don't concentrate on vitamins and minerals as we are concentrating in carbohydrates, proteins, and oils. So we have to add these vitamins and minerals, and you have to make sure at least you're adding 2 or 3 items in your everyday diet. As you can see, I mentioned few items: vitamins and minerals. So I'm taking personal training for people who are above 60 years, and I'm teaching only few simple asanas and pranayama, this Nadashuddhi pranayama. And within 2 months, they're having great changes. And I always suggest them to sit down, because if you don't want the pain through diseases, you have to take the pain that comes through exercise. And yoga is the best form of exercise for everyone, especially for elderly people. And please give some importance. Otherwise, now you may be healthy, but as time goes, you will you may have some, especially joint pains. So it releases the block. Yoga releases the block that is which gives you the joint pains, and it obviously it strengthens your muscles and your respiratory system. And some of the poses it actually massages your digestive glands, organs, so your digestion will be quicker. And if you want me to talk about the benefits of yoga, it takes a lot of time. So that's all for today. This is just an introduction. I wish every one of you to start some kind of exercise, and mostly I suggest yoga for elderly people. That's all. Thank you.
That's it, madam.
That's it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, madam. I would request Rotarian Pradeep Cholai to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, President. I should thank Satya for giving us a good talk on basic yoga, asanas, and pranayamas. And it was quite useful, and I'm sure all the members will try to practice yoga in their daily life. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Pradeep. Satya, madam, I would request you to share the PPT so that I can circulate it to everybody. So that
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Definitely.
Benefit out of the tips that you've given, especially on the food that to be followed and things like that. So I'm sure that's useful.
You're not audible, President. You're not audible.
Is it okay now, Pradeep?
Yeah, better. Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
So I would request Madam Satya to give us the PPT so that I can share it with all the members. There are some useful tips you are given regarding the food that can be taken and what's to be avoided and things like that. I'm sure it will be of good help. Thank you all the members for and the ants and the Annets for attending and making it a very interesting session. And thanks, Satya. And meeting is adjourned. Thank you. And
Hey, President, close the meeting for the bill. Yeah, close the meeting for the bill.
Yeah, we will continue. I would request all the probably the ants and the guest can log out. Request the Rotarians to stay back for just few more minutes for the closed door meeting, please.
Yeah.
So I'm logging out, sir.
Yes, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thanks everyone for your time.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
Okay, now it's time you can share the bill copy.
Yeah. Just a moment.
Yeah. Somebody can take a photo of the people right now so that we can use that as a quorum. President, அப்படியே இருக்கிற ஆளுங்க எல்லாரையும் ஒரு போட்டோ எடுத்துருங்க. ஒரு ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட். ஓகே.
அது நீ வந்து அந்த ரவுண்ட் நோட் சொன்னல.
போட்டோ எடுக்க சொல்லிட்டா நல்லா ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணிட்டு வந்திருக்கேன்.
அப்பா அட்டெண்டன்ஸ்க்காக தான் பண்ணிரோம் போட்டோ.
By the way, I'm sorry, I'm just now joining for the meeting. Till now my wife was there.
No problem. You have come for the right meeting. Okay, this is actually a closed door meeting right now. We are only presenting the bills. The budget has been passed in the club assembly, which held by June 1st week, and again on the board meeting of the first board meeting of this current year. You're searching for the mail, FD. Okay.
Is it visible now?
Yeah. Is it visible? Okay, this is a subscription bill for the club account. What you see, the first point is the RA dues for the first half. The second point is the district dues. Third is the Rotary News Trust magazine. And the fourth one, what we are talking about, the fellowship charges, is basically the meeting expenses, which we have divided into 1/4 for the first half and 3/4 for the second half. Because 6 months we are going to have only a virtual meeting. The balance 6 months we have considered as a personal meeting, which will happen in a hotel. That considering about 6,000 rupees for each member, we have taken 1,500 here and 4,500 will come in the second half.
Ganesh.
Yeah.
Can you tell me the RA dues breakup? How many dollars and what is the dollar rate?
நான் அப்படி எடுக்கல. RA dues வந்தது it is like 1,51,000 is the invoice has come for 48 members.
இல்லமா கரெக்ட்டா போடணுமா அது அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணாதீங்க.
Okay.
Put the correct dollar and conversion rate. கரெக்ட்டா போட்டு போடுங்க.
No. Correct amount only. Correct amount it has come. Okay. Correct amount it has come and divided for 48 members. It is.
அதத்தான் பண்ண வேண்டாம்ன்றேன். Don't do that. Don't do that.
No, it has come only for 48 members. We are right now 48 only.
Correct ma. Don't divide and put the bill la போடும்போது put the dollar எவ்வளோ conversion rate அத போடுங்கன்னு சொல்றேன் நான் அவ்வளவுதான். Mention that.
Oh, you want to show the breakup?
Breakup.
Okay. Point taken, sir.
Yeah. This is the exact amount. Anyway, I'll show you the breakup. All that.
Yeah. Okay.
பிரசிடென்ட் அடுத்த நம்ம சேரிட்டபிள் ட்ரஸ்டுக்கான ப்ராஜெக்ட் அக்கவுண்ட் பில்ல ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.
Yeah.
அந்த ட்ரஸ்ட் அப்பீல் லெட்டர் இருக்குல்ல தான்.
Yeah.
This is the amount what we collect for the charitable trust on account of the projects what has been done by the club. This is 5,000 rupees where people can claim the ETG benefit which is going to the club account.
Yep.
Okay, I need a yes or a confirmation of showing a thumbs up from everybody so that
No, you can all say yes on the chat please. This is being recorded, so you can just say agreed or a yes on the chat. Request everybody to put yes on the chat.
Yes, agreed.
Okay, and we'll be sending the bill via WhatsApp. Okay, if anybody wants a mail copy, I'll send a mail copy.
I want a mail copy.
Yeah, I will send. Whoever says that they want a mail copy, we'll send a mail copy. No problem.
Rest of the people, only 3 people have said yes. Can others also just say
That's
yes?
okay. That's okay. It's not necessary that everybody will have to say the yes. Okay.
No,
once
but at
it's
least
passed,
we'll know the quorum what was there at least. It will become a.
இல்ல அது ஒரு photo எடுத்துட்டீங்கல்ல. The current 20 or 21 people take a photo.
Okay.
This is for project account.
Taken.
And this is 5,000 for project account.
Yes, 5,000 for the project account. Yeah.
Taken.
Right. Officially, you can close the meeting, Ganesh.
Thank you, everybody. The meeting is adjourned officially.
One second. Ganesh, have you sent the mail to everybody?
Which one? Bill?
Yeah.
இல்ல இப்பதான் close the meeting. I'm considering it as passed and sending it only by tomorrow.
Okay, fine.
I'm first sending it by WhatsApp, then I'm sending it by mail. Okay, right now I'm considering it is being cleared by the close room meeting.
With regard to the PAN number for the club account.
Okay.
What is the status?
Radha's applied for it last week, and I think it should be getting cleared this week.
Is Sanjay Bandari there?
Sanjay ji?
He's not there.
No, because there is some technical problem which he could not solve it. So I requested Radha to talk to Sanjay Bandari and see that by using some influence or something will let us get it, because we are not able to operate the bank account.
Okay.
So this is going on for the past 8 months, not today or yesterday.
இல்ல சாய் இப்ப ராதா ஹேண்டில் பண்றாரு.
ஆமா.
நடுவுல கணேஷ் ராஜ் ஹேண்டில் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாரு.
இல்ல திரும்பி it has been passed to Radha Krishnan. That is why I am bringing it here. Ganesh Raj, I would request you to talk to Sanjay Bandare and see that it is solved immediately, ma.
Will do. Okay. நான் ஒரு அப்டேட் எடுத்துக்கிறேன் இவர்கிட்ட இருந்து, ராதாகிருஷ்ணன் கிட்ட இருந்து எடுத்துட்டு I will talk to Sanjay Bandare.
Okay.
Okay. If the closed door meeting is officially closed, so we can.
You can officially close. Then of course.